Good morning students. How are you all? Hope all are keeping fine. Okay. So today we are going to learn about product of fractions. So what is meant by product? Product means nothing but multiplying the numbers, right? So here we are dealing with fractions. Fraction means we will have numerator and denominator, right? So just product of their numerators and product of their denominators. Okay, if you take a by b and c by d, okay, so this is nothing but into. Okay, see here the example is, again I am writing this one, 5 by 7 into 2 by 3. Okay, so if you take any two fractions a by b, c by d, multiplication of a by b into c by d is equal to, okay, nothing but we have to do just simply multiply their numerators and multiply their denominators. Okay, you will get product. Okay, so like that you have to solve. If you see this example, 5 by 7 into 2 by 3. So here also we have to do directly. So directly multiply numerators, multiply the denominator. What you get here? 10. 7 3s 21. So like this you have to multiply. Like this you have to find out the product of fractions. Okay. So if you take another example, I am taking here 2 by 5 into 7 by 4. Okay. So now what happens? See this one, 2 into 7 divided by 5 into 4. Okay, if you observe here, we can cancel this one, right? 2 ones, 2, 2. If we have any terms like this, okay, if we cancel them, okay, if we can do this, do that one, just cancel them. Okay, you get here 7. 1 into 7, 7. After that, so remaining I am writing as it is, 5 into 2. Okay, 4 will be cancelled here. 2 ones, 2 twos. So I am writing 2 again. So 1 into 7, 7 divided by 5 into 2, 10. So like that you have to form. Okay, so if you can cancel any terms, you can cancel them. After that, write down as it is. After that, do that calculation. Okay, so just product of fractions means just multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Okay, so like this you have to find product of fractions. Now we will see how to do divisions. Okay, now see, before going to see this division of fractions, here one topic is the reciprocal of, okay, multiplicative inverse of a fraction. Okay, if the product of two fractions is 1, then each is called a reciprocal of the other. Okay, product must be equal to 1. When it will happens, see this one, if we have same terms in the numerator and denominator, you will get 1, right? See here, 2 by 2, you will get 1, right? In the same way, if you take two fractions here, I am talking about two fractions, right? So I am taking a by b. Okay, so when you get, you have to get here 1. When you get this one, if we have b in the numerator, if we have a in the denominator, then only you will get 1. How? See this one, a will be cancelled, b will be cancelled, you will get 1 here. So to get 1 here, you have to reverse the given fraction and then you have to multiply with the original fraction here. Okay, so how can see here, a by b into b by a equal to 1. So the reciprocal of a by b is b by a. So what is meant, so now you can understand the reciprocal, right? Reciprocal means just reversing the given fraction. So if you have a by b, reciprocal of a by b is b by a. Okay, if you have c by d, reciprocal of this fraction is d by c. Okay, then only you will get 1, right? So your purpose is to get 1. When you get this one, if you multiply original fraction with the reciprocal of that fraction, you will get 1 here. Okay, so then these will become reciprocal multiplicative inverse of each other. That means reciprocal to another one. So this is the reciprocal of this one, this is the reciprocal of this, c by d, like that. Okay, understood this one? See example, see here 5 by 8. Reciprocal of 5 by 8 is 8 by 5. So 5 by 8 they have given. So reciprocal of this one is 8 by 5. Just reverse the given fraction. Numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator you have to write. Okay. So if I take 4 by 2, 4 by 3, reciprocal of this one is reciprocal will be 4 by 3 given, right? Reciprocal will be 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4. Okay, so just write the denominator as numerator, numerator as denominator. Just reverse the given fraction, then you will get reciprocal of the given fraction. Okay, see, division of fractions. Next our topic is division of fractions. How to do divisions? Okay, let a by b and c by d be any two fractions. Then we define division. We can define as a by b divides c by d. See this one, a by b that divides c by d. That means, see here, a by b whole divided by c by d. Okay, we can convert this one. Okay, if you send this one into numerator place, so what happens, see here, a by b, if you send this one, this fraction will be, okay, reverse, will become reverse, d by c. With the multiplication symbol you can write the whatever fraction you have in the denominator now, that we can write by reversing that fraction, we can write as d by c. Okay, with multiplicative symbol. So now this division will be cancelled. If you reverse this application and we write here with multiplication symbol, this will be equal to this one only. Okay, understood this one? Okay, so just we are writing here reciprocal of c by d. Okay, a by b into reciprocal of c by d, that is d by c. Understood this one? Reciprocal of c by d. Okay, just with multiplication symbol we are writing reciprocal of c by d. Okay, so if you see this example, you can easily understand here. See, 13 by 21, right? So this will be divided by 2 by 7. Now how can we write this one? See, I am writing here 13 divided by 21 whole divided by 2 by 7, right? See here. So now I can write with multiplicative symbol into and reciprocal of 2 by 7. Reciprocal of 2 by 7 will be 7 by 2. Okay, now see, anyone we can cancel this one. Any terms can be cancelled. See here, it's 7 one time, 7 tables, 7 3 times. Right, what you get here, 13 into 1. Here 7 cancelled, you get here 1. So 13 into 1. Here 21 will be cancelled with 7. You will get 3 into 2. What you get here, 13 ones are 13 and 3 twos are 6. Okay. So like that you have to solve division of fractions. Okay. So here nothing we are doing here, just writing then whatever division they have given, that we are writing here with multiplicative symbol and the reciprocal of the denominator fraction. Okay, whatever we have in the denominator now, that fractions reciprocal of that fraction is we are writing here with multiplicative symbol. After that, do as usual, as multiplication we do now, that process will be followed here. 13 into 7, 21 into 2. So by to avoid big numbers, okay, I am converting into simple ones. 7 ones, 7 threes. So 13 ones, 13, 3 into 2, 6. Understood this one? Now we will see some more exercise problems so you can understand well. Okay. Now see some more problems. Okay. In exercise E. Okay, see this first one. In our exercise 4E, I am doing third one. Okay. See, 12 divided by 35 into 14 divided by 27. This thing they have given. What we have to do? Multiplication. So just write multiplication of numerators and do multiplication of denominators. So we can cancel anyone here. See this one. So 7 2s, 7 5s. Here with 3 I am doing 3 4s, 3 9s. So the remaining write down 4 into 2 divided by 5 into 9. What you get here? 4 2s 8 divided by 5 9 45. 8 by 45. So like that you have to find out answers here. Understood this one? Now see the next one. Sixth problem. See. See sixth one. 2 11 by 27 into 18. Okay. Now see this one. This is mixed fraction they have given here. So we have to convert into improper fraction. What we have to do? Here we have to multiply this one. After that we have to add here. Right? Add the numerator. Now see. So 27 into 2. After that you have to add numerator. Okay. Divided by 27. So multiplication as usual into 18. Okay. Now see. So 2 7. 4 2 2s 4 54 plus 11 and divided by 27. As usual, after that multiplication we are doing, so I am writing here. Now see, this will become 65 in the numerator. This will become 27 and this will be 18. Okay, now see, with 9 table, 9 2s, 9 3s, right? Yes, nothing. What we can't do anything here. So write down as it is. So I am writing here 65 into 2 divided by 3. So what you get here? 2 5s, 10, 2 6 12, 3 130 divided by 3. So we can cancel this one here. So we can do here, see this one 130. We can divide this one 130. So divide with 3. 3 4s, 12. Get here 1 0, 3 3s, 9, remaining 1. So what you get here? So 43, 1 divided by 3. So 43, 1 divided by 3. So we converted into mixed fraction again. So they have given in mixed fractions, so we can do this one and we can convert this one into mixed fractions while writing answer. Okay, understood this one? Now go for 12th problem. See here. So this is also one mixed fraction, see. Okay. This is also mixed fraction. So 3 1 by 6 into 2 3 by 4 into 2 4 by 11. Okay, see here. So again converting these mixed fractions into improper fractions. First convert this one into improper fractions. After that directly you do multiplication. The multiplication of product of numerator and product of denominator. See here 3 into 6. After that adding numerator by 6. Right? Into as usual multiplication. Again 2 into 4 plus numerator divided by 4 into, so 2 into 4, sorry 2 into plus. Now I am adding all the terms in the numerator. After that writing denominator as it is, see, into as it is, 2 4s 8 plus 3 divided by 4 and into 11 2s 22 plus 4 divided by 11. What you get here? 19 by 6 into 11 by 4 into, so 26 by 11. So 11 11 will be cancelled here. 6 2 3 3 2s, 2 3s, 2 1s 3, 13. Okay, nothing here. See this one, what you get here? 19 into 13 divided by 3 into 4. So what you get totally? 247 by 3 4s 12. So we can this also we can convert into mixed fractions. So they have given in mixed fractions now, so we can convert this one into mixed fractions. See, I am doing here this division part I am doing here. So 247 divided by 12. Okay, 12 2s 24. Okay, if 20s also you can take, 12 20s 240. Remaining you get here 7. So what you can write here? 27 by 12. Okay, so if you convert this one, if you again divide this numerator with this denominator 12, you get here in mixed fractions 27 by 12. Okay, so this is your answer here. Like that you have to do multiplications. If they given in mixed fractions, first convert them into improper fractions. After that do as usual multiplication. Multiply all the numerators, multiply all denominators. Understood this one? Note down this one. So now we have to find out the reciprocal of the given fractions here. So first one is 7 by 13. Okay, so we have to write reciprocal of the given function. Write down this one. Reciprocal of 7 by 13 is 13 by 7. Okay, so for this one 8, nothing in the denominator means 1 is here. So reciprocal of this one will be, so 1 by 8 here. Understood this one? Now see 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 they have given. So reciprocal (1 by 5) is 5 only. Yes, 5 by 1. So 5 by 1 means in the denominator 1 means we can write as 5 here. Okay, like that. Understood this one? Now see, one mixed fraction they have given here, 8 1 by 9 they have given. Okay, so given that 8 1 by 9 reciprocal. Reciprocal of 8 1 by 9. So is, so first we have to convert this one into improper fraction. They have given in mixed fraction, right? Convert this one first. 8, so 9 into 8 plus 1 by 9. What you get here? 9 8 72 plus 1 by 9. What you get here? 73 by 9. So this is your fraction. Now we have to write reciprocal of this one, right? Reciprocal of 73 by 9 is, just reverse this one, 9 by 73. So like that you have to write reciprocal of the given fractions. Just convert numerator and denominator, right? Numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. Understood this one? Just reverse the given fraction. Okay, understood? Note down this one. Now see, our next problem is on division. Okay, so 3 1 by 8 divided by 5. So what it means? 3 1 by 8 is divided by 5. Now what to do? Here they have given it mixed fraction, right? So we have to convert this one into improper fraction. For that one, we need to multiply 3 with this denominator, and we have to add this numerator and this divided by 8, and this whole divided by 5. Okay, understood this one? Now see, now our next step will be, see this one. So 3 into 8, 24 plus 1 divided by 8, and this whole divided by 5. So in the denominator nothing is means 1. Okay, see, now see, 24 plus 1, 25, that is divided by 8. Now with this multiplication symbol, now I will write the reciprocal of this 5 by 1, or this 5 will be 1 by 5. Okay, 1 by 5. Now do any cancellation if you have, do that one. 5 ones, 5 5s. So 5 into 1 divided by 8 into 1. Now you will get here 5 by 8. So like that you have to solve multiplication and division problems. First we need to convert this division problems into multiplication. Okay, by writing reciprocal of the denominator, we are converting into multiplication form. After that, multiply numerators divided by multiply denominators. Now what you get in the numerator, write down that one. After that, in the divided by, write down that denominator. So that is your answer. Okay, understood this one? Note down this one. Now see the next problem. 1 is divided by 2, 3 by 5. Now how can we write this one? 1 divided by 2, 3 by 5. So in the denominator we have mixed fraction. Now we will convert this one into improper fraction in the denominator only. So we need to multiply this 2 with this denominator, and after that we have to add this numerator to convert into improper fraction. Okay, now see what happens. 1 is divided by 2 into 10, 2 into 5, 10 plus 3. Okay, that is divided by 5. Okay, this is 1 whole divided by this fraction here. See this one, what happens here? I am writing side by side. You write 1 by 1. Okay, so 1 is divided by 10 plus 3, 13. That is divided by 5. Okay, now I am writing with 1. I am writing this denominator with multiplication symbol and the reciprocal of this denominator. What is reciprocal for this 13 by 5? It will be converted into 5 by 13. Now any number multiplied by with 1, or any function multiplied by 1, you will get that function only, 5 by 13. Okay, like that you have to solve problems. Okay, first we need to convert, check for the mixed fractions. After converting mixed fractions into improper fractions, write down reciprocal of the denominator with multiplication symbol. After that, multiply numerators divided by denominators. Okay, so like that you have to do. Now see the next problem. So what is that one? 20th problem. 5 7 by 10 is divided by 3 1 by 6. Now both are in mixed fractions only, in the numerator and in the denominator. So if you want to individually, if you want to do that one, otherwise do directly. So now for this one I am writing differently. Okay, so individually I am solving mixed fractions into improper fractions. Now how can we convert this one? 5 into 10. Okay, that is denominator 5 into 10 plus 7 divided by denominator 10. So what we have here? See, now this will become 5 into 10, 50 plus, okay, 5 into 10, 50 plus 7, that is divided by 10. Okay, what you get here? 57 divided by 10. Okay, so again another fraction here, 3 1 by 6. This also convert into mixed fraction. 3 into 6 plus numerator divided by 6. What you get here? 3 6 18 plus 1 by 6. Okay, so here we are converting into improper fraction. Integral part into denominator plus numerator by denominator. Now what you get here? 19 by 6. Now write down the converted mixed fractions into improper fractions. Now write down that fractions. What is the first mixed fraction here? 5 7 by 10. We converted this one into 57 by 10. So write down that one, 57 by 10. That is divided by 3 1 by 6. We converted this mixed fraction also into improper fraction, that is 19 by 16. So now write down with divided by. Okay, 57 by 10 whole divided by 19 by 6. So now with the multiplication symbol, how can we write this one? And into reciprocal of the denominator. Reciprocal of this denominator will become 6 by 19. Okay, 57 divided by 10, reciprocal of the denominator into reciprocal of the denominator, that is 6 by 90. Now see any cancellation here? 2 3's and 2 5's. 19 1's, 19 3's. Okay, now 3 into 3 divided by 5 into 1. Okay, what you get here? 9 by 5. So for this problem your answer is 9 by 5. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, understood this one? Note down this one also. Directly also we can do this one. See here. See here, I am writing directly 8 by, so our problem is 8 7 by 25. So divided by 3 1 by 15, right? So I am writing directly integral part into 25 plus 1, that is divided by 25, and this whole thing is divided by 3 into integral part into 15 plus 1 by 15. What you get here? 200 plus, so this is 7, right? So we have to add here 7. So 7 by 25 divided by 45 plus 1, that is divided by 15. So now how can you convert this one? 207 by 25 is whole divided by 46 by 15. As usual you got this one, right? See, so now 207 by 25 with multiplication symbol, and we are writing the reciprocal of this one, 15 by 46. Now do calculation, 46 here, 46. So now see our next problem, 8 7 by 25 divided by 3 1 by 15. Okay, so this also I am writing separately. Okay, so for the first fraction 8 7 by 25, I am converting this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Write down that is So 8, 7 by 25. So write down this one into improper fraction 8 integral part into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator, that is 25. What you get here? 200 plus 7, that is divided by 25. What you get here? 207 by 7 by 25. After that, next fraction, what is that one? 3 1 by 15. So integral part, that is 3 into 15 denominator plus 1 divided by 15. What you get here? 45 plus 1 divided by 15. What you get here? 46 by 15. Now write, instead of these mixed fractions, write down corresponding improper fractions. Okay, what is our problem? 7 by 25, that is divided by 3 1 by 15. Instead of this one, we are writing improper fractions corresponding to this fractions. What we have found now, that I am writing here, 46 by 15. So by writing this one, whole divided by means whole divided by 46 by 15. Converting this one with writing multiplication symbol, and after multiplication symbol we have to write the reciprocal of the denominator, that is 46 by 15 will become 15 by 46. Any cancellation here? See, with 15, so 5 3s, 5 5s, and this one with 23 2 times, 23 9 times. Okay, now what you get here? 9 into 3 divided by 5 into 2. What you get here? 27 by 10. Multiply this one, you get here. So I am doing here. See, 27 with 10. 10 twos 20. What you get here? 7. So your fraction will become mixed fraction will become 7 to 7 by 10. So what our as usual calculation now? 5 3s, right? 5 5s. Now this one with 23 2 times, here 23 9 times, right? What you get here? 9 into 3 by 5 into 2 10, that is 27 by 10. Now after converting this one, you get here 2 7 by 10. Again we are converting into mixed fractions only. Like that you have to solve. Either both you can do. So either you can choose. You find out, you can convert mixed fractions separately, or you can do this directly. Okay, understood this one? Note down this one.